What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm back from the largest crypto conference in the world. It was good blast, but now let's dive back in the game. Um, yeah, there's lots of going on since my last video that was 1 week ago. Bybit got hacked. I mean, market tanked. BTC still in one place. Solana currently -9%. Oh my God, ETH -5.6%. And yeah, it's a very tough situation for a lot of retail traders. They're trying to uh, understand what to do next, and let's dive into the charts and see what's happening in real time and where we could go on from here. Again, my name is Max, and if you forgot, we're here on a day-to-day basis and exploring the markets day in, day out, seeing what's happening. And there's a lot of things happening. If you really want to dive into the market, you need to be there non-stop, and you need to keep up with the stuff. So we're doing this in our Telegram community, in Wisdomized Telegram community, where we share trade ideas, daily news, and we talk with other traders and share alpha. So come and join us. But until then, let's check out what's happening now. Let me check. No, that's the right button, and that's the right screen. Anyway, so as I already mentioned, I actually gave Solana at 165. For me, it was a really good position. Now it's in a drawdown, and I still believe it's going to recover, even though there are going to be a lot of unlocks on this crypto asset. I believe that the best is still yet to come, even though the market is really bearish currently. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, there is little to no hope when with everything, but hopefully we'll recover regardless of the bearish vibe. So what I'm seeing right now, also, like, there's another like zone or technical support, whatnot, to trade off of. So I mean, my first entry was a bit above this zone, but again, sometimes the zones are not respected, and you can forget about your best entry points. It's just about accumulation and long-term perspective. Like, you can't really time the bottom or the top. You can just think in long-term perspective, and this is exactly what I'm thinking about Solana. It's still one of the top assets that the crypto market has seen ever, and it has a lot of retail. All the activities based on Solana on a large scheme of things. So I do believe that it's gonna bounce. But when this will happen, this is very hard to predict. Also, as I mentioned in the group, in Telegram community as well, ETH is after this kind of large liquidation wicks that we just saw. There is and coincidentally, it actually took out this low ever so slightly. So what happens here is this is obviously a very strong support zone as the trend line. But what happened here is that there are a lot of liquidations below this low, and these are mainly the liquidations of these bullish traders who bought here, bought at every single point, and now, especially if they use leverage, their stop losses are below this low. And also, what you can find here is there are lots of buying orders who want to buy all these liquidated long positions to enter again for another leg up. And also, there are a lot of sell buy sell sell stop orders. That means that they want to trade this breakout. So there is a lot of liquidity. Liquidity is a pending order, basically, either liquidation or a new buy order. But it seems like ever so slightly these lows were respected, given that there is also very strong um, trend line support, and without a clear pattern. For example, if we will do like a flag here, like consolidate on this, then it's more likely to break. But I've never seen a very strong pattern just smash out like in one candle. It's almost impossible because there's going to be a lot of buying orders here at the same time, and the risk to reward, if you sell at this low, the risk to reward is not favoring you in any sort of shape. But as I mentioned as well, whenever there is going to be a week like this, the market usually consolidates for around 60 days. And from what I am seeing currently, since this day, we only have been doing 23 days, and 60 days will be around April. So this is where I do expect to see some institutional traders coming in, and after the retail has been exhausted, they will be entering the market around April. At least this is how I see the markets. Obviously, there are thousands of other opinions as well and views how you can potentially see the market and analyze it. But as I mentioned a lot times before, timing the market is more important than anything else. So you need to be right about the timing. Like anyone can say that Bitcoin is going to 150K, but when let's take a look at BTC as well. But when it will go to 150K, and whether it's gonna go from 70K, from 80K, or from 90K right away, this no one really can predict because there are a lot of unknown factors in the market. So there is no point in trying to predict the market. But just from technical perspective, and I've mentioned this a lot before as well, that gold is following the path of BTC is following the path of gold, and this would mean that if this will be the case, then BTC will obviously have 150K per one Bitcoin. It's coded, but when this will happen, I don't know. So yeah, like just from purely technical perspective, drawing some trend lines, eliminating everything else, well, like we're seeing that there is a bullish pattern that's basically usually formulating like this. So it's basically a rising wedge. It's just accumulation in this 90 and 110 zone. So you need to really accumulate and create price action in this sort of consolidation box. That's exactly what's happening here. Institutions are bullish, and anything below is a cheap price according to the institutional investor. I'm quite sure about it. So there is no reasons for BTC to be bearish. There are only bullish reasons from fundamental perspective. Obviously, the US is thinking about strategic reserve. There are a lot of institutional buyers, ETFs, all this thing. It's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. So more reasons to be bullish than not in general. So yeah, we covered BTC, ETH, and Sol from technical perspective. Let's check, and also like you can see that all the top meme coins are down minus 10% on average, and the market in general, if you look at it, it's all red, and obviously. With this being said, I can already like know that BTC dominance has been rising because BTC is staying in one place and the altcoins are tanking. That means that BTC dominance is obviously um, falling or rising in value as we speak. But Wisdomize again provides you the best crypto assets in real time. So you can see that as always there is the coin radar that for me is the most important um, from the social radar. Sorry, social radar is here. We're scanning 8,000 alpha groups and posts and giving you the best assets that could potentially change your trading career and your uh, upcoming bull market. Let's hope that this bull market will stand still. But again, like as mentioned before as well, there is a lot of assets, but you should be able to somehow um, categorize them or label them. And one of the best ways to do this is by having social weekly trend as its label, because this means that this has been talked about the most amongst their community in those alpha groups. And sometimes it just happens that even the best assets, like we are seeing right now, they do not stand for too long, and their price action just goes down as everything. So yeah, like currently, I do not recommend like usually you would say that there buy when there is a blood on the market and sell where is there euphoria. But currently, I would be cautious buying anything, despite the fact that the market has been going down and it's all blood, but all over the place. And this the reason for this is because I see that there is a lack of interest, and the retail is underwater, and we could see even like I don't necessarily mean that we're going to see lower prices, but the consolidation below these around these lows can be a very long consolidation. So it could be taking 30 days, and every day you can have a really good entry on some assets, but you really need to manage your timing expectations, and this is one of the hardest things to do. So I'm currently out of the market. I'm holding some cryptos, but not too many, and my main chain still is being Solana. And if I would buy though something, because the risk to reward is really good on a lot of assets, I would buy something that has social weekly trend, or even better, monthly social trend uh, to back it up, because then you know that the asset that you're buying is actually talked about in the alpha groups and along the communities that you are uh, watching. So yeah, again, you can choose your own categories. You can have a lot of different memes to ape and all this. So yeah, this is it for today. I'm just slowly making a comeback here as well, and yeah, see you in the community. Come and join us. There's a lot of going on, and we're actually just launched the Auto Trader as well. So this is also really, really exciting. It's going to be a really good trading bot that allows you to trade uh, directly from the Wisdomize platform. So keep in touch. Thank you, and have a good evening, day, or morning.